Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable ad blocker on Opera GX browser. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your PC, then click on this one settings icon in the left sidebar, then click on this one privacy and security option, then scroll up to the top and under privacy protection you will see block ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster. You can enable this one toggle switch to block the ads, and in case you want to see the ads just turn off this one toggle switch. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.